Yeah, reckon it'll last a little bit. Where a storm comes. That's it. Oop, there's my wood. Gotta get that out of here. They don't like wood hanging around. So yeah, I'll get that done. But yeah, just gotta clear it out a little bit. It's kind of wet from yesterday's storm. Big storm coming tomorrow. No snow, but oh, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna start raining. I wish snow, but it's gonna rain a little later. So yeah, just picking these two piles up. Got most of the site done from before. Yeah. Just picking up wet leaves so they can get wetter. Cause this stuff is slick, man. You step on that, you could break a hip. So yeah, site's pretty clean after our windstorms and everything. Cause I cleared all the piles up. Got some left behind the solar panel rack there. You know, the awning on my generator shed still working pretty good. Yeah, I gotta buy a new one of those. It's just a 4x4 tarp. Man, I've had that for years. Using some braid clips to keep that little extension going. Yeah, it's getting pretty ripped up. But keeps my generator dry. And it works. Alright. Yep, there's my golf cart. It's looking pretty good. Now I put all my leaves down on my neighbor's side. A friend said, yeah, I should just put them all in one pile. That's been there for a month. I think they come by and pick it up. So they can go burn it in the burn pile. Oh well, might happen before the snow comes. We'll see. Yeah, a little wet. Oh, it smells so good here. Winter is here. Look at the low clouds. I'm not sure if you call that fog. I think that's just low clouds. Yeah, hugging the mountains right there. Our little hill over there on the canyon. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, a little short video here. Yeah. Michael was up. My friend here, he went snowboarding today. He had fun. Got out here pretty quick though. I was napping, old man nap. Yeah, pretty soon this whole thing right here, this whole street will be all white. It'll be all white. The trees will be white. Late January, February. Yeah, we had not had a first snow yet. But it's coming. It's coming. I promise. For now, we just got rain. A little hail. Saw some turkeys this morning. Thought of my dad. Aw. We used to just call each other turkey. There's about a dozen of them. Yeah. There's my YouTube video in there yammering. Wonder Hussy. Check her out. Yeah, she's pretty funny. There's our new neighbors. Yeah, they did a pretty good third job tarping this trailer. I don't know. I mean, mine's pro. I've been here a long time, so yeah. Well, we're getting close to January 1st, 2025. One more year here in Timber Trails. Yeah. Got my new tires. Yeah, it's a good thing to do. Old ones are getting all rotted out. They're 20 years. Well, 19 years. Let's go take a look up top here. See what's going on. Yeah, these old stumps. I guess knock these out before they disintegrate. I don't know. That's what my neighbor did up here. It's housing a ton of beetles and bugs. It's kind of their house. I love this rock. So I usually try to park on that. It's a little step going out of my car. I wonder how far down that goes. Man. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Dark skies, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon or so. 3:30. It's cold. I love it. That's going up the hill. And we're going down the hill. Yeah, after Michael left, nobody's here. I'm spending the evening alone, which is kind of nice. Man, look at that view out there. That Michael's got the view. He has the view. Oh, look at that. More clouds moving in. A little different than before. Man. Yeah, you're just kind of rolling right in. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, low clouds. Awesome. Oh, it smells so good out here. Ooh, all the wood and pine and ooh. Wish I had smell-o-vision for you. All right, my friends. I'll see you on the next video. And I'll continue raking. Adios.